So you're listening to the SE Electronics sE8 microphone. And I have to say, so far, I think it sounds really great. I'm just here at my desk. There's nothing on this. This is raw. Just the 80 hertz high-pass filter on the mic. Today's going to be the first of many videos about these mics because they're really cool. So today we will unbox. And yeah, let's get on with it.
From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
All right, so inside of this box, they sent me over a kit, the matched pair of sE8s. And the sE8 is a small diaphragm condenser, half-inch small diaphragm condenser. And it's got an extremely flat frequency response. And man, does it sound good. And these things, like the pair of them, sells for like $500 about US. So it comes in this cool little carry case. And I think this is great because this is the kind of thing that you would take with you. You could travel with this, especially like taking two mics with you to do stereo stuff. And we're going to do stereo stuff because this mic does a really cool ASMR. That's how quiet it is. So yeah, here's the little manual. And of course the cool stickers. I like the stickers. And this thing, the little candy packet here. It's not candy, don't eat that. So let's get to the main event. So these mics are a lot chunkier than you would expect. They are not like the thin aluminum cheapy feel mics that you would find normally at this price range. You can buy singles of these for like $280 US. And man, this sounds great. So as you can see, it has a pad switch on the side, and a high-pass filter has a 80 hertz and 160 hertz. So very usable right out of the box. So I like that. And the switches are those kind of switches you need like a paper clip or a thin screwdriver for. But you'll manage. And if you're using a close-up like this, it sounds amazing full open, without the high-pass filter on it. But when you're using a close-up like this, you got to be careful of plosives with an SDC. So I would suggest at least the 80 hertz. And they give you this amazing stereo mic bar. This is really cool because there's a lot you can do with stereo miking, especially even if you're a storyteller. I'm going to do some stereo stuff too as part of my video barrage. And the usual clip and, little foam Cossack soldier hat for your mic. And overall, yeah, this is the sE8. And I've been dying to try this mic for a long time. So thank you again to SE Electronics for sending it over. And we are going to have some fun with it. But yeah, the sE8. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov on the sE8. Fading to black.